Isang napakagandang write-up nga ang ating namataan mula sa artikulo ng Medium. It's about SB19. Anila, why SB19 scares the music industry. Atin na lamang pong babasahin. Most pop groups don't write their own songs. They don't choreograph their own dances. They certainly don't manage themselves or direct their own music videos. That's not how the industry works. Massive entertainment companies handle all of that, packaging artists into products designed by committees and focus groups. So when SB19 does all of it themselves, it's not just impressive, it's a direct challenge to everything the pop music industry has decided is necessary for success. Self-made and self-owned. SB19 setup would make most entertainment executives nervous. No massive company backing them. No team of Swedish producers on speed dial. No handlers micromanaging their image. They run their own start-stop. Onesie Entertainment, with Paulo as CEO and all five members as owners. Pablo is the group's main writer, composer, and producer. Justin serves as the creative director of concert and music videos. Stel, Justin, and Ken choreograph. Josh and Ken write, compose, and produce too. These aren't ceremonial credit slap on for authenticity. They're actually doing the work. The standard model in pop music relies on infrastructure. K-pop idols train for years under massive companies before debut, with every aspect of their career controlled and funded by corporate machines. Western pop groups get assembled by labels, handed songs written by hit makers, and taught choreography by professionals. It's a proven systems that launch countless successful acts. But it's also a system that filters out anyone who doesn't fit the mold or can't afford the gatekeepers. Songs that sounds like real life. When SB19 writes, you can tell they mean it. Ilaw doesn't romanticize struggles or offer easy answers. It sits in that painful space of needing someone to be there, someone who will listen while knowing you have to find your own way through. Mapa is their tribute to parents, recognizing years of sacrifice and the moment when grown children can finally give back. The title is word play. Ma and Pa for mom and dad, but Mapa also means map in Filipino. Dam explores desire not as a romance or ambition, but as that restless human hunger for more, the kind everyone feels but few can articulate. These songs don't sound focus group because they weren't. They sound like what happened when artists write from experience instead of chasing trends. Singing without a safety net. Here's where SB19 separate itself from the pack. They sing live always, with choreography intense enough that most group would consider it a valid excuse to lip sync. The industry has normalized backing tracks and pre-recorded vocals. The excuse is always the same. The dancing is too hard. The production demands it. Audiences expect perfection, but SB19's choreography is brutal. Their performances are exhausting, and they still deliver stable, powerful vocals every single time. They've earned the nickname live vocal monsters, not through studio trickery, but through raw technical skills. Stel hits his signature high notes while moving across the stage. Pablo maintains vocal control through complex routines. His rap verse is sharp and precise. Ken's deep baritone cuts through with a distinct smoothness that balances the group's sound. Josh delivered his rap bars with unmatched confidence and charisma even during the most demanding sequences. Justin's clear, sincere vocals shine through intricate choreography, proving he's more than just the visual. This isn't about having less demanding performances. It's about actually being able to do what you claim you can do. More pa po sa nasabing artikulo, grabe napakaganda at totoo naman. Mula nang lumabas ang SB19, dito masasabi na napaka-legit, raw, at ang kanilang performance ay talagang binibigay nila ang the best na dapat matutunan ng ibang artists. Ano masasabi niyo about dito? Agree ba kayo? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.